That's the first thing that it has to come to your mind when you're fixing your credit. What's the reason why you want to have a good credit? Are you trying to purchase a house? Do you want to buy a new car, but the interests are very high because you have bad credit? Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. Your girl Isaura Abreu here with a lot of information. In today's video, I just want to share with you guys that my Credit Fix DIY course is available for purchase, as well as other products and services that you can go get by clicking in the link that I'm going to leave in the description of this video. I just want to start by saying that before, I didn't know that we encounter so many problems here in the United States when we don't have a good credit. We can be paying a lot of money on interest. We can be paying a lot of money just because our credit is not where it needs to be. And I didn't came to realize this until when, for example, I wanted to purchase a car, where when I leased a car, when they had to ask for somebody else to co-sign because my credit was not in a good standing, or maybe because my profile was not strong enough. So guys, I'm always talking about elevating here. I'm always talking about side hustles, things that we can do in order to get to the other level. But when it comes to credit, I kept that down and not talking so much about it because I was like, I mean, I was not so into it. Like I am right now. I recently started sharing things I know about credit, how to remove negative accounts from your credit report. A lot of us, we suffer from identity theft in the past, or maybe we are encountering that situation right now, or we have accounts on our credit report that we don't recognize, and we don't know what to do with all these things going on in today's world. There is a lot of scamming, a lot of stuff. So how do we fix all this? Credit report is not simple to understand, but once you understand it, it is simple. So it becomes simple once you understand what's the basic of it. And the basic of a credit report is having accounts in a positive accounts on your credit report, um, so that the data for lenders, creditors that are going to lend you money, it's easy to understand. Now, remember, the credit reporting agencies, they make money by having drama on your credit report. So the more mistaken and bad information they have on your credit report, the better is for them. We don't want bad and negative accounts on our credit report. Why? So we fix that. And the best way to do that is by purchasing the guide in the description of this video. Is Credit Fix DIY. You can get the guide for an affordable price. You can have good credit. I am always updating the information on the course because there is a course, but there's also other tutorials if you can get the whole course. I suggest you to get the whole course because if you purchase the whole course, you're going to get access to all the other modules that includes how to remove inquiries, how to remove collections, how you go about disputing charge-offs, how to once you have your credit fixed, how do you leverage your credit, how you improve it, how you start getting positive accounts on your credit report, and so on and so forth. Is amazing. I put a lot of time on that, and I am actually going to add some modules of other strategies that I find on how you can remove charge-offs. Remember, charge-offs are the one of the highest delinquency that you can have on your credit report. So having these on your account can really impact your credit. We don't want to have that. We want to remove all of that, as well as hard inquiries that are not attached to open accounts. We want to remove that as well. And why did I decided to talk about this on my YouTube channel? I mean, it's important, guys, especially if you're living here in the United States. Um, we need credit for a lot of stuff, and by having good credit, you have good interest rate. You have more access to more money. You have more credibility, and banks, lenders are not going to be scared to lend you money if they see a profile that is strong, a profile that is clean. This is a trick that I've learned. You have a lot of negative accounts on your credit report. Lenders are not going to want to lend you money. You already know that. I just told you that. So by leveraging a good credit, you can do so much. And I'm going to be sharing a lot of that good information here on the channel in the upcoming videos. But the first thing that I wanted to talk about was this. Uh, please take care of your credit report. And how do you check your credit? It's easy. You go to Experian.com and you create an account. If you don't have an account, I 110% suggest you to go to Experian. I think that is easier, like to understand the credit report by using that website. And the best part is that you actually can access your 3 bureaus report by paying the 24.99 membership, which is amazing. You want to go ahead, check your credit report, check for accounts that don't belong to you, or that you do not recognize, check for if you have collections, what accounts are on charge of, the hard inquiries that you have been putting on your credit report, making sure that your personal information it's correct. You don't want to have information there that it's not accurate. It's going to really affect the way that lenders see your profile. And everything on the credit report can be fixed. You have to take control of that, because if you don't take control of that, then how are we going to fix it? Right? You want to go ahead and analyze your credit to make sure that the information there is correct. And if something is not correct, guess what? We're going to dispute it, of course, because we are here to check that the information being reported is accurate. So I am very excited for this new thing on my channel, where I'm going to be able to talk a little more about credit, building credit, leveraging credit, because it's very important. When you have credit, what can you do? You can do a lot of stuff. You can open businesses. Um, you can start a new business. Like, make sure that you are doing something worth it for yourself. Yeah, you want to make sure that you're investing not only your money but your time on things that are going to make you grow and take it to the next level. I am going to be teaching you guys how you can leverage once you have um, credit limits, high credit limits, how you can leverage that to make some passive income money. And this is a really passive income way that you can make when you have good credit. Trust me, because I'm doing it, I know. So there's a lot of things and tricks and tips that you can use to get yourself to the next level by having a good credit. And of course, by having a good management of your finances. You're not going to have good credit just because you want to go ahead and get into the dark hole again by taking more credit cards, not paying them, or letting them go on charge of, or they go to collection. You don't want to do that. Make sure that if you are fixing your credit, you have a motivation as of why you want a good credit. Why? That's the first thing that it has to come to your mind when you're fixing your credit. What's the reason why you want to have a good credit? Are you trying to purchase a house? Do you want to buy a new car, but the interests are very high because you have bad credit? Are you planning to leverage your personal credit to make business credit so that you can open your business without using your money, but using the bank's money to start your business? What is your plan, right? Because, yeah, the hardest part is not having a good credit, right? Because you can fix that. I just told you can go buy the course and the guides that are available here in the description of this video. But what is the purpose? Because if you're going to fix your credit for nothing, don't fix it. Just leave it like that, right? You have to have a why of the things that you're going to start doing with your credit. And there's so much more to that. You can teach your kids how they can have a good credit so that they don't go to the same mistakes we went through because we didn't know nothing about it, and so on and so forth. So I just wanted to put this here on my channel because I want you guys to win as well. I'm able to have a good credit because of the same thing, but not only because um I decided that I needed to fix my credit in order to leverage it to the point I wanted, like when I opened my business and stuff like that. But because I want to teach my kids too, I don't want them to have bad credit. I have very bad credit. I have 500 credit score before with a lot of negative accounts, and I didn't know what to do. But guess what? We are in another level now. I have high credit limits. I leverage that credit limit to make passive income and so on and so forth. I just want you to open your eyes to the opportunities that you have right now. Remember, we always start with what we can start, and then we go little by little, leveraging and doing other stuff to make money, to be better, to take opportunities, and so on and so forth. So with this being said, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you watch my previous videos, you know I had available trade lines for rent. I still have that special. I'm gonna put it somewhere over here. If you're interested on putting a 15K trade line on your credit report, you just gotta leave the word trade line on the comments and I will respond, or you can email me on the email on the description of the video. I have a 15,500 trade line available for rent for only $250. Take advantage of this opportunity. This could be a great way for you to decrease credit usage on your credit report and start building credit. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe and you like.